Welcome back to the Michigan Boating Weather Forecast. It's great to see you guys here. So we'll give it a few minutes or a few seconds to at least see if anyone wants to jump on. If you're going to watch the repeat of this, make sure this is your first time here, like the video, comment, tell us what you think, tell us what else you want to hear about, and subscribe. We got a lot of great content coming, a lot of great content on the channel, so be sure to check it out. So we are going to cover the boating weather forecast for the state of Michigan for this weekend. That is for July 12th through the 14th. So, we'll get started with South Haven itself. South Haven. Today, they're looking at east winds around 5 knots, backing north. Sunny, waves 1 foot or less. Tonight, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots, veering east after midnight. Mostly clear, waves 1 foot or less. Then Saturday, south winds around 5 knots, veering west, then veering north late in the day, mostly sunny, waves less than a foot. Saturday night, south winds 5 to 15 knots, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms, waves 1 foot or less. Sunday, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots, mostly sunny, waves around a foot. So, other than the chance of storms, possibly Saturday night, looks like a good weekend to be out on the water. Waves are going to be pretty low, so hopefully everybody can get out there and enjoy it in that area. Grand Haven. Today they're looking at variable winds, less than 5 knots, becoming north-northwest, around 6 knots in the afternoon. Sunny, waves 1 foot or less. So it's probably going to be a flat day today out in Michigan and Grand Haven area. Tonight, variable winds, 5 knots or less, mostly clear, waves 1 foot or less. Saturday, variable winds, less than 5 knots, becoming south around 6 knots in the morning, mostly sunny, waves 1 foot or less. Saturday night, south wind 8 to 11 knots, a chance of showers and thunderstorms after 1 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. And then Sunday, south-south wind around 13 knots, a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms before 1 p.m., waves 1 to 2 feet. Sunday night, south wind around 12 knots, a chance of showers and thunderstorms, waves around 2 feet. So, Saturday morning looks like a great day for Grand Haven area. It looks like as Saturday goes on, there's a chance of storms at night, and sometime Sunday, probably there's going to be something Sunday night. I think the Sunday morning part is just kind of a chance. Ludington. Today, they're looking at variable winds, 5 knots or less, sunny, waves 1 foot or less. Tonight, variable winds, 5 knots or less, mostly clear, waves 1 foot or less. So, Saturday, variable winds, 5 knots, less than 5 knots, becoming southwest, 5 to 7 knots in the morning, sunny, waves 1 foot or less. Saturday night, south wind 6 to 9 knots, a chance of showers and thunderstorms mainly after 1 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. Sunday, south wind 10 to 12 knots with gusts as high as 20 knots, a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after 1 p.m., waves 1 to 2 feet. Sunday night, south-south wind 9 to 11 knots with gusts as high as 18 knots, a chance of showers and thunderstorms, waves around a foot. So, Saturday morning looks like a great day to be on the water. Hey, Jacob, how you doing? And then Saturday morning be a great time. And Sunday, just keep an eye on the weather because it can change. So, hey, Lewiski, hey, name YS. Hola. Hey, Marble. So, the Grand Traverse Bay area on Northport. Today they're looking at variable winds, 5 knots or less. Patchy fog before 7 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. Tonight, variable winds, 5 knots or less. Patchy fog between 10 p.m. and 11 p.m., waves 1 foot or less. Saturday, variable winds, 5 knots or less. Sunny, waves 1 foot or less. And then Saturday night, variable winds, 5 knots or less, a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after 1 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. Sunday, south wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming west in the afternoon, A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms, waves 1 foot or less. And then Sunday night, variable winds 5 knots or less. A chance of showers and thunderstorms before 10 p.m., then a chance of showers between 10 p.m. and 1 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. So today and tomorrow look like a great day to be on the water in the Grand Traverse Bay area. Sunday, it looks like there's possibly a storm system rolling through in the afternoon and evening. So we'll see how that goes. Otherwise, it's going to be a great weekend. Otherwise, the waves are going to be low. So hopefully everybody can get out there and enjoy the water. Hey, sad hamster. So Petoskey. Today, they're calling for barrel winds less than 5 knots, becoming west-northwest, 5 to 10 knots in the afternoon. Patchy fog before 7 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. And tonight, variable winds 5 knots or less. Mostly clear, waves 1 foot or less. So, all right. Hopefully Marble doesn't message any more like that. So, Saturday, variable winds 5 knots or less. Sunny, waves 1 foot or less. And Saturday night, variable winds 5 knots or less. Chance of showers and thunderstorms after 1 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. Then Sunday, south winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming west in the afternoon. A chance of showers and thunderstorms, waves 1 foot or less. Sunday night, variable winds 5 knots or less. Chance of showers and thunderstorms before 10 p.m. Then a chance of showers between 10 p.m. and 1 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. So kind of the same as the Grand Traverse Bay area. Today and tomorrow look pretty good, are nice, and then there's a chance of storms rolling through on Sunday at some point in time, so you just got to keep an eye on the weather. Otherwise, Petoskey is looking good. Easy money. I am not a storm chaser officially. I didn't take the class and get the certification for it, but I do enjoy following the weather because it directly relates to everything I do. So between being on the water, traveling, winter time, I keep track of the weather as much as I can. So the Mackinac Straits area. Today, variable winds 5 knots or less. Patchy dense fog before 8 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. Tonight, variable winds 5 knots or less, mostly clear, waves 1 foot or less. Saturday, west-southwest wind 5 to 10 knots, mostly sunny, waves 1 foot or less. And Saturday night, variable winds 5 knots or less. A chance of showers between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. Then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after 5 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. Sunday, south wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming west-southwest in the afternoon. A chance of showers and thunderstorms mainly after 8 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. And then Sunday night, variable winds 5 knots or less, a chance of showers and thunderstorms before 11 p.m. Then a chance of showers between 11 p.m. and 2 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. So, today and tomorrow look great for the Mackinac Straits area. Sunday, it looks like there's a chance of storm passing through in the morning. It's probably going to be small. And then Sunday night, it looks like there's something bigger moving through. So, yeah, otherwise, just keep an eye on the weather for Sunday. But today and tomorrow look pretty darn nice for the Mackinac Straits area. Alpena. Today, we're looking at variable winds, less than 5 knots, becoming southeast 5 to 10 knots in the afternoon. Scattered showers before 2 p.m. Then scattered showers and thunderstorms between 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. Then scattered showers after 5 p.m. waves 1 foot or less. Tonight, south-southeast wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming southwest after midnight. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms before 11 p.m. Then isolated showers between 11 p.m. and midnight, waves 1 foot or less. So today's not a great day for the Alpena area, it looks like. And Saturday, variable winds less than 5 knots, becoming southeast 5 to 10 knots in the afternoon. Sunny, waves 1 foot or less. Saturday night, south-southeast wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming south-southwest after midnight. A slight chance of showers after 2 a.m. Waves 1 foot or less. And Sunday, south-south wind, 5 to 10 knots, becoming with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Also possible after 11 a.m. Waves 1 foot or less. Then Sunday night, variable winds, 5 knots or less. A chance of showers and thunderstorms, waves 1 foot or less. So Saturday looks like a better day. Possibly Sunday too if you keep an eye on the weather for the Alpena area itself. So the Saginaw Bay area, specifically out of Essexville. Today, you're looking at variable winds, 5 knots or less, with a chance of showers and thunderstorms also possible after 2 p.m., waves 1 foot or less. Tonight, south-southeast wind around 6 knots, becoming south-southwest after midnight. Mostly clear, waves 1 foot or less. Saturday, variable winds, 5 knots or less, sunny, waves 1 foot or less. Saturday night, south-southwest wind, 6 to 8 knots, mostly clear, waves 1 foot or less. Sunday, south wind, 9 to 12 knots, with gusts as high as 22 knots. A chance of showers and thunderstorms after 2 p.m., waves 1 foot or less. And Sunday night, southwest wind around 11 knots. Chance of showers and thunderstorms, waves 1 foot or less. So for the Saginaw Bay area, it looks like Saturday is going to be your day. You never know. You never know, easy money. Yeah, Saturday looks to be your day, and Sunday, there's a chance. Keep an eye on the sky, and you'll know what to do. Monroe. So we're looking at Lake Erie, kind of out of the Detroit River area. Today, variable winds, less than 5 knots, becoming east-southeast around 6 knots in the afternoon. A chance of showers and thunderstorms after 8 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. Tonight, variable winds, 5 knots or less. A chance of thunderstorms before 8 p.m., waves 1 foot or less. Saturday, variable winds, 5 knots or less, sunny, waves 1 foot or less. Saturday night, variable winds, 5 knots or less, mostly clear, waves 1 foot or less. And then Sunday, south-southwest wind, 5 to 10 knots, a chance of showers between 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. Then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after 11 a.m., waves 1 foot or less. And Sunday night, south wind, southwest wind around 8 knots, a chance of showers and thunderstorms, waves 1 foot or less. So today looks like to be the only questionable day for that area, as there's a chance of something rolling through today. Otherwise, tomorrow and Sunday look to be actually pretty good days, other than Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. I think there is a storm system rolling through the southern half of Michigan sometime on Sunday. So that is the boating weather forecast for the state of Michigan. So some key notes is the southern half of Michigan. Today and tomorrow look pretty nice. Other than Sunday, there's some storm system rolling through. And then for the northern half, it kind of varies. There seems like there's a storm system rolling through on the northern half of Michigan today, and then possibly on Sunday as well. It's hard to say. Other than that, looking forward next weekend is the West Michigan Offshore Powerboat Weekend out of Grand Haven. They're doing their poker run, so they have a Friday night and Saturday run itself. So the Friday night is, I believe they call it the Shields of Hope. So it's just kind of like a make-a-wish thing. So anybody that wants to go for a boat ride gets to go for a quick little boat ride. Anybody volunteering their power boat. And then Saturday is the run they do up and down the coast itself. So I've witnessed it. It's pretty darn cool to see all the power boats, a lot of horsepower running up and down the coast. And that's about it that I know that's coming up with. So make sure you guys like the video, comment. I see plenty of comments down here, so I appreciate that. And if you haven't yet, subscribe. We got a lot of great content on the channel. We got a lot of great content coming, so be sure to check it out. And remember, guys, have a great adventure.